Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM server command line argument series, in this video we are going to discuss about the argument called allow course. Okay, so we'll see what the use of this course and how we had to use this one and when we had to use this argument. Okay, so basically the allow course argument used to enabling the course in the APM. Okay, so we'll see in details of this argument. Okay, so by using this argument, allow course flags enables the cross origin resource sharing. Okay, this is the full form of course. That is the cross origin resource sharing. That means allowing the request from the different origins, such as browsers and remote clients, to interact with the APM server. Okay, see, by using this argument, it allows us to request from the different origins, such as the browsers and remote client, to interact with the APM server. So that is the use of this argument, and how we can able to use this allow course argument. Okay, this allows the external clients like web-based tools, browser extensions, or remote automation services to communicate with the APM server without the course restrictions. Okay, what happens when we use this argument? Okay, this allows the external clients like web-based tools, browser extensions, or remote automation services to communicate with the APM server without any course restrictions. Okay, so going to the when to use this one, I will demonstrate it. Suppose we not use this argument, what exactly happens? Okay, so for demonstrating the example, I'll open the APM inspector so that I can inspect the elements, okay, in this application in the emulator. Okay, so I'll open the APM inspector. Okay, so this is a web-based APM inspector, and I want to use this web-based APM inspector to inspect the elements of this app in the our simulator here. Okay, so for this one, what I had to use, I had to run the before starting the session. Okay, first of all, what I'll do, I'll add the capabilities here. Okay, simple capabilities, platform name and automation name, and I given the platform name as Android and automation name as UI Automator 2. Okay, so before starting sessions, we know that we need to start the APM server. Okay, I'm starting the APM server. Open the command prompt and type the APM. Click on run. So APM server is running now. But observe that I have not used the allow course argument here. Okay. So without allow course argument, we are running the APM server. So we'll see what exactly happens here. So now APM server is up and running. Now I will I'll start the session here. See, go back here. I give the capabilities. Okay. I say start session. So you can see it give a error saying that cannot connect to APM server URL. Please check the if check if the server is running, the URL is correct. Valid URL can be found at the start of the APM server log. If you are using the inspector web browser, ensure the server has been started with the allow course. Means what? Means I am sending a request. Okay, this is a client. This web inspector, web APM inspector is a client. I'm sending a request from this client to APM server so that I can inspect the elements in my simulator. Okay, but it is not allowing us. It is throwing a error message. Okay, so why? Because I'm sending a request from the web-based client. Got it? So I'm sending a request from the web-based client. So whenever you're working on a web-based client, okay, so this is another example. We have the APM inspector plugin. Okay, I have explained about this one clearly. So we have this web-based application, the web-based plugin, APM inspector plugin. Okay, so whenever you're using this plugin, there also we have to use this particular argument, that is the allow course. Okay, so coming back here. So whenever I'm using the web-based client to interact with the APM server, I had to use this argument called allow course. Okay, so now I'll go back to our PPT and we'll see when to use this allow course. Oh, I know we got some idea when to use this allow course. Okay, so running the APM in web-based tools like cloud testing platforms and running the APM inspector has a plugin. Okay, and already I made a video on this APM inspector plugin. Okay, I'll place a link in the description, and sending the request from APM from the web-based front end or running the script in different domains. Okay, working with third-party integrations that require the core support. So all these four options, whenever you are using, we have to use this allow course. Okay, and how we can able to run the APM server with the course enabled. So we have to use simple APM space double hyphen allow hyphen course. So we have start the APM server with this argument. Okay, now we see. So we see when I want to inspect with the APM web-based APM inspector, it is showing the error message, right? Now what I will do, I will start the APM server with this argument here. So go back to the our command prompt and I'll stop the APM server, Control C. Now what I will do, APM space double hyphen allow hyphen core. Okay, means I am running the APM server with this argument. So you can see the log also. When I say enter, you see allow course true. Okay, so now my APM server is ready to interact with the web-based client, request from the web-based clients. Okay, that is a here in this case I am using the APM inspector web-based application. Okay, now I'll start the session here. So I have given the same capabilities. Previously it got failed because it wrote the error message because it's not able to interact with the APM server, which is I not use the allow course in a argument. Now I have enabled the APM server with the allow course argument here. Okay, allow course argument. Now try to start the APM session. See, now I click on the start session. Now it has to establish the connection. See, now my APM inspector web based application able to interact with the app which are open in the simulator here. So I just refresh here so that I get the screenshot here. See, I can able to interact. So what are the things I want to do? I want to interact with the elements. I can get it here. Okay. So this is the use of. Okay. This is the use of. So this is the use of allow course argument. Okay. So it allow the cross origin resource sharing. Okay, when you're using this argument with the APM server, we can able to interact with the external clients like web-based tools, browser extensions, or remote automation services. That is a cloud testing platforms. Okay, so this is the use of this allow course argument. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, apart from that one, already I have made a video on this concept, that is the APM inspector plugin. Here also we had to use this argument. We had run this APM server with the allow course argument here. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.